try this again. Today is September 26th. I don't know, 8:30 a.m. I tried to do this the other day and start filming my new small little films called 365 Days of Fishing with Brian, and anybody who will come fishing with Brian. But I screwed up and I deleted everything I did. And the part that sucks is we actually caught fish both days. So we're starting all over. Just gonna be fly fishing. We're at Limestone Creek, Manlius, New York. It's Friday, but I don't have the day off. I'm working. I spend most of my time working on my phone, so it works out well. So I'm going to fish every day for the next 365 days. I'll see what happens. If I ever get sick and can't make it, there's going to have to be a guest that takes my spot. The winter's going to be a little challenging because we get a lot of snow in these parts. I'm Australia. Get lots of fucking snow. It's beautiful up here. This creek is 25 miles long, apparently. Converges with Butternut Creek somewhere along it. And it's fed by the DeRuyter Reservoir. There's the glory hole. Ooh. Some pigs in there. That's what they say. Pigs or jerks. Can't remember what they call them. Actually, when I was a little kid, we used to come here, and my kids have now done it, and jump off those rocks into the water. So, I'm going to go down here and set up. Do some fishing.